Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's short video, I will show you how to disconnect the sites from your MetaMask wallet. So to start, open up your Chrome browser and unlock the MetaMask wallet. Now, once here, if you click on three dots in the upper right corner, you will see the option to see connected sites. Now you will select that. And as you can see right now, I have only one site connected to this wallet. Now I created this wallet just for the purpose of making a couple of videos. Now this is actually the marketplace I'm often using to trade, but if I want to disconnect my wallet from that site, I will just press disconnect here. And this is how and where you can do it for any site that is connected to your wallet. And please be very careful what you are signing and to which sites you are connected, because there's lots of scams going around. And now you can see there is nothing else here anymore. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel.